In aviation, materials and parts are engineered to last. Giving them a new life isn't straightforward. It's not as simple as tossing something into a bin. It takes innovation, precision, and care. But through careful recovery and reprocessing, they can be reintroduced into the value chain as high-performance products and materials with renewed purpose. Welcome to the first in our Material Deep Dive series, where we take you inside the hidden journeys of Nandina's circular aviation materials. In this episode, textiles. From dismantled aircraft seat covers to new yarn ready for manufacturing, this is how we unmake and remake one of aviation's most overlooked resources. It begins at our 𝗵𝗵𝗁 facility, where seat covers arrive already removed from aircraft interiors. Every piece is handled with precision to protect its integrity and prepare it for processing. Depending on the end product, these seat covers take different paths. If the material is destined for fabric production, laundering is skipped until the final steam or wash stage at the mill. If spun directly into yarn, it's fully laundered at our Malaysian partner facility to remove residual dirt and odors.
Even at the first stage, we're dealing with complexity most supply chains don't even see.
Processed fabric is compressed into bales for efficient shipping, ready for defibering at our specialist partner facilities.
What makes Nandina unique is their true focus on circularity. They are not just disassembling materials, but tracing materials throughout every step to identify the highest value ways they can be repurposed.
The fabric is then cut into 5 by 5 centimeter pieces and fed into mechanical defibering machines. This delicate process teases the fabric apart into soft, cotton-like fiber, ready for its new life.
Every stage of this process has a point of no return. One wrong move, we could lose the material forever. That's why certification matters, not as a badge, but as a tangible proof of care and due diligence at every step.
From here, fibers are blended with virgin wool or polyester, typically a 20 to 80 mix, then carded, drawn, and twisted into new yarn. Working with recycled aviation fibers is like braiding short hair. It's possible, but only if you understand the limits and know how to complement it with longer, stronger strands. Aviation textiles start as tightly woven, high-performance fabrics. By the time they've been removed, cleaned, and mechanically defibered, the fibers are significantly shorter than virgin materials. Shorter fibers are harder to spin, more prone to breakage, and demand precise handling at every stage. That's why we team up with partners who bring the same precision to reprocessing, where every choice, from blending ratios to machine settings, is deliberately tuned to protect quality and performance. It's this precision that transforms short, once end-of-life fibers into durable, commercially viable products, including advanced, fire-retardant fabrics that safeguard lives by harnessing the unique properties of carbon fiber. This is what it takes to process just one material. But by doing it right, we're setting a new benchmark for traceability in aviation.
If we want to see change in aviation, we can't just fit ourselves into systems designed for linear consumption. We have to build the systems that we need and invite the industry to build them with us.
This is the work behind just one material. Imagine what's possible with many more. The circular aviation supply chain is no longer a concept. It's gaining momentum, and we're building it to scale with partners across the value chain.
The future isn't about perfect systems. It's about bold ones, the kind willing to evolve in public so that others can follow faster.